Have you ever felt that pang of administrative dread? That little voice whispering about the loose ends you need to tie up, like that old bank account you're no longer using? If you're nodding along, especially if that account happens to be with TD Bank in the US, you're in the right place. Closing a bank account might seem like a daunting task, conjuring images of endless paperwork and phone calls. But trust me, it doesn't have to be that way. Today, we're going to break down the process of closing your TD Bank US account into simple, manageable steps. First things first, let's consider why you might want to close your account. Maybe you've moved out of TD Bank's service area, perhaps you've consolidated your finances, or maybe you've simply found a bank that better suits your current needs. Whatever your reason, it's a valid one, and taking control of your financial landscape is always a smart move. Now, before you even think about contacting TD Bank, there are a few crucial things you need to take care of. This pre-closure checklist will save you a lot of potential headaches down the line. Firstly, transfer or withdraw all your funds. This might seem obvious, but double-check every nook and cranny of your account. Don't forget any automatic payments or recurring transfers that might be linked to it. You don't want any unexpected deposits or withdrawals happening after you've initiated the closure process. Secondly, update any direct deposits or automatic payments. This is critical. If your paycheck, Social Security benefits, or any other regular income is deposited into this account, make sure you've updated the details with the relevant institutions. Similarly, any bills you pay automatically from this account, like utilities or subscriptions, need to be switched to a new payment method. Failing to do this can lead to missed payments and potential fees. Once you've handled your funds and updated your payment information, you're ready to contact TD Bank. You have a few options here, and the best one for you will depend on your personal preference and circumstances. Option 1. Visiting a branch in person. This is often the most straightforward method, especially if you prefer face-to-face interaction. Locate your nearest TD Bank branch in the U.S. and bring a valid government-issued photo ID. A bank representative will guide you through the necessary paperwork. Be prepared to answer some security questions to verify your identity. Option 2. Contacting customer service via phone. If visiting a branch isn't feasible, you can call TD Bank's customer service line. Be prepared for a potential wait time, and make sure you have your account number and personal information readily available for verification. The representative will walk you through the steps and may send you forms to complete and return. Option 3. Sending a written request. While less common these days, you can also close your account by sending a formal written request to TD Bank. This letter should clearly state your intention to close the account, include your account number, full name, current address, and a copy of your government-issued photo ID. It's advisable to send this letter via certified mail with return receipt requested, so you have proof that TD Bank received it. You'll need to contact TD Bank's customer service or check their website for the correct mailing address for account closures. Regardless of the method you choose, it's crucial to confirm the account closure in writing. Whether it's a receipt from the branch, a confirmation email, or the returned certified mail receipt, keep this documentation for your records. This serves as proof that you've officially closed the account and can be helpful if any issues arise later. Finally, don't forget to ask about any potential final fees or charges associated with closing your account. While it's not always the case, some banks may have specific terms regarding account closures. Closing a TD Bank US account doesn't have to be a stressful ordeal. By taking these proactive steps and choosing the contact method that works best for you, you can navigate the process smoothly and efficiently. Remember to handle your funds, update your payments, and always obtain written confirmation of the closure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.